Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve this problem. This is from the chapter Coordinate Geometry and exercise 7.1. Very simple question, but we have to need to find the logic. Okay. Here a point is given Q and it is equidistant from the P and R. Okay. Equidistant. The distance between the two points. We have to use that formula. Okay. Any distance if they mentioned in the problem, we have to use the distance between 2 points formula. Okay, that's it. So, what is our formula? Distance is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay. Now, what are the points we have? P equal to 5 comma minus 3. Q is equal to 0 comma 1. R is equal to x comma 6. Okay. Now, what is the condition we have? Equidistant. Which point? Q. So, Q is equidistant means PQ is equal to QR. Logic. PQR. Here R, Q, P. It is equidistant. The distance between these 2 points is same as distance between these 2 points. The Q is equally spaced between the P and R. Okay. So, PQ is equal to QR. Now find PQ. PQ means distance between P and Q. So we have to use the formula, distance formula. Okay. Now square root of x2 in PQ, x2 is 0 minus x1 is 5 whole square plus y2 is 1 minus y1 is minus 3 whole square. Now this one is equal to square root of minus 5 whole square is 25 plus it is here we have plus minus or minus plus. So 1 plus 3 4. So 4 square means 16. That is called square root of 41. Okay. Now QR. Distance between Q and R. So QR. Here x2 is x minus x1 is 0 whole square plus y2 is 6 minus 1 whole square. Square root of x square. 6 minus 1 is 5. This is 5. 5 means 5 square is 25. Okay. Now what is the logic we have? PQ is equal to QR. So PQ is equal to QR. So QR is square root of x square plus 25 is equal to PQ is 41. Okay. Square root of 41. Okay. So square root gets cancelled. Square root of 41. So substitute it here. So x square plus 25 is equal to 41. So x square is equal to 41 minus 25. That is 16. So x is equal to square root of 16, which is plus or minus 4. Hence, this is the answer. Okay. Now, the value of x is plus or minus 4. Therefore, R is equal to x comma 6, which means 4 comma 6 or minus 4 comma 6. This is the value of R. Okay, so you got the answer. Now the second part, we have to find the distance between Q and R and P and R. Okay, the distance between Q and R and P and R, we have to find it. Okay, now this is the first part is completed. We have found the values of x. X is plus or minus 4. Now we have to find the second part. I hope you understood this first part. Okay, now second part. Remember these values, or else we can write here somewhere. Uh, we can write here only. P is 5 comma minus 3, Q is 0 comma 1, and R is equal to x comma 6. That is 4 comma 6 and minus 4 comma 6. Okay, now we have to find the values of QR and PR. So if R is equal to 4 comma 6, we got two values of x, so we got 2 points of R, 4 comma 6 and minus 4 comma 6. For case 1, if R is equal to 4 comma 6, then QR is equal to, already what we got, QR is equal to PR. Okay, but PR is square root of 41 we got in previous page, what we have doubled. Okay, but we can find again QR is equal to square root of R and Q. So x2 minus x1. So 4 minus 0 whole square plus y2 6 minus 1 whole square. That is called square root of 4 square is 16 plus 6 minus 1 is 5. This is 5. So 5 square means 25. Square root of 41. Okay. And what we have to find? PR. So PR. Square root of P and R. So x2 is 4 minus P is 5 whole square plus 6 minus of minus 3 whole square. 4 minus 1 is minus 1 whole square. Minus 1 whole square plus 6 minus of minus 3 means 6 plus 3. Minus and minus plus. Okay. So 6 plus 3 is 9 square, which is equal to 1 plus 81, which is root 82. Okay, root 82. This is when R is 4 comma 6. If R is equal to minus 4 comma 6, case 2, then QR is equal to, same thing, we have to write formula. R is equal to minus 4 comma 6. So minus 4 and Q is 0. So minus 4 minus 0 whole square plus 6 minus 1 whole square. That is equal to minus 4 whole square plus 6 minus 1 whole square means 5 square. That is equal to 16. Minus 4 whole square 16. 16 plus 25, which is root 41. Okay. And PR, square root of R is minus 4 means comma 4, 6 means x2 is minus 4 minus x1 is 5. whole square plus 6 minus of minus 3 whole square is equal to minus 5 minus 4 minus 5 means minus 9 whole square plus 6 minus of minus means plus, same, here also plus, you got to place 6 plus 3 9 square root of 81 plus 81, that is equal to square root of 162. So this is the answer. By observing this one, QR is same in two cases, both the cases, because already they have given that it is equidistant from the point P and Q, P and R. Q is equidistant from point P and R for any values of x, means plus or minus 4. Okay, so only the value changing for PR. PR is for first case is 8 comma 2, root of 82, and for second case it is root of 162. Hope you all understood this one. If any doubt is there, then please let me know in comment section. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.